Problem number 6. Recall that some or all of the solutions of an equation in two variables can be described with an equation, a table, a graph, or words. Use these concepts to answer parts A through C. A. Describe the solution of y is equal to 1/4 x plus 1 by using a graph. Use the graphing tool in the number line. So we will graph this and take advantage of the slope and intercept form, where we have the slope is 1/4 and the y-intercept is 1. So what we can do is start with 1 here, and then our slope is 1/4. Rise goes 1, so if we rise up 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, then we have our second point. And with that graphing tool, this should be enough to get you going with the line. You just identify these 2 points and then have it go down. Your line will look a lot nicer than this one. Part B. Describe the 3 solutions of y is equal to 1/4 x plus 1 by using the table. So it looks like we're interested in plugging in -4, 0, and 4 for x. So for this first box, let's put in a -4 for x. So we have 1/4 times -4 plus 1. This will give us a -1 plus 1, and that'll eventually amount to 0. Our second one, let's put 0 in for x. So 0 times anything is 0. We have 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, so this is just a 1. And then let's put a y is equal to 1/4 times, let's put a 4 in for x. So 4/4 is 1 plus 1. Oops, this is a plus. 1 plus 1 is 2. And so this y value is 2. And we can double check our graph here. When x is equal to 0, let's see, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. That's this point right here. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. That's this point over here. And then when x is equal to -4, y is equal to 0, and that would be this point right here. So those are the points that we saw numerically that we can also see in a graph. And then here it says describe the solution by using the words and fill in the blanks. For each solution, the y-coordinate is something more than something of the x-coordinate. Well, the more than business is this one, I think. So we say it's 1 unit more than, and then something that's being done to the x-coordinate. This is your x-coordinate, and it looks like we have a 1/4 there. We have a 1/4 times x-coordinate. Okay, so that's how you would tackle this. So we have the symbolic representation. We have the graphical representation. We have the numerical representation, and now we're also able to represent this equation in words. Alright, so that is the rule of 4.